So we have two types of modular programming in QBasic. The first is sub procedure and next is a function procedure. First, let's discuss about the sub procedure. And obviously, now it is a technique to divide our main program into a smaller number of programs, and that is called sub procedure. Or simply, we can also say procedure. It performs a specific task. Whatever we give, it just performs that, and after that, we have to call it from the main module or maybe any other module. A sub procedure is need to define before it is in program, and to get the output of particular procedure, mostly we use call statement. So how, we'll see after some time with the help of program. And the block we write inside the opening sub and the closing in sub. Basically, when you talk about the sub program, it has two parts: declaration part and the definition part. So what is declaration part? Means to tell our computer that actually we are going to use sub procedure, and it is recommended that if we declare that, to know what the procedure, what is the name of procedure and what the procedure is going to perform in our program. So mostly we have to use it, and sometimes it becomes optional. I'll show you in our program. So declare statement mostly we use there, and since it is not execute part, means computer will not execute this one. How we write that? So syntax is here. First we write declare word, then sub, and then name of procedure, and inside the parentheses we have to put the parameter list. Parameters are simply variables now which are used to transfer the values to particular module or the particular procedure, we can say that. uh, so here is the example, and declare, then name of procedure, and here is name of procedure. So what a procedure we are going to use sub. So this is the name of procedure, and here are the parameters. So this is the declaration. uh, Next is the definition part of subprogram. Definition means whatever we want to perform, whatever we want to do, we have to put everything inside the definition part of subprogram, the procedure, and we have to put inside the sub in sub. So here is the example, beginning and end of subprogram. So sub, yes, and here is in sub. We have to give the name of sub procedure. If there is a parameter, we have to put the parameter. If there is no parameter, then thus we have to put all the codes inside the opening sub and the closing in sub. So looks like this one. So this is the opening part of sub procedure with the parameters p and q, and here is the ending part of in sub. So these all are the statements. Yes, that's all. Nothing we have to do there. So how to switch between the windows, means main module to sub module. We can use shift F2. Yes, we can switch immediately list of procedure along with main module. So it was a simple program, and to call the sub procedure mostly we use call, and sometimes without call also it works there. uh, the assignment that transfer control to another sub procedure from main module. So here is the name, how to call, syntax call, name of the procedure, and if it is having any argument or the values, we have to put inside the parentheses. So nothing more there. So here is an example, call, the name of procedure, and with the parameters. One example is shown here. We can understand in better way. We'll also write the program. So this up above pass, actually this equal declaration. This is the declaration part. So this part is main module, from here to here, main module. Yes, and after that, this part inside the main module, this is the calling sub procedure. What is the name of procedure? Sum. Yes. So this is sub module or the sub procedure. And how many parameters we are passing there? 2, p and q. So these are the formal parameters, and a and b actually they are the arguments, or we can that real parameters. That's all, and this is the closing. So nothing more is there. Now let's see with the example.